It's just not worth replacing at this time, so you can just simply inspect. Do you own a Toyota Sequoia? Well, replacing your air filter is one of the easiest maintenance jobs you can do yourself. There is no need to hire the dealership service department to do it for you, or any shop for that matter. You can buy these online. You can buy the OEM ones, which I prefer and I suggest, and you can install it yourself. So let me show you how I do it. Simple stuff. All right, we pop the old hatch right here on the old Sequoia, and the old strut mounts are still working strong after 14 years. So as you look at your engine bay, this is your air box. This is where your filter is. All you have to do, easy stuff. Most people know this. This is for beginners. Just trying to show people that have never done it before how easy it is to do it. So what you do, are these little clip pins. You just put your finger down, boom, peel off. One. Right here's another one. Two. Right here's one more. Three. And four is in the front right here. Right down here. If you're short, you may need to have a little step stool on the Sequoia since it's high up. Again, this is most likely the same for most vehicles. So what I do now is everything's gentle, man, with cars. Just go gentle. You can just lift up the cover here, right? And there's the filter. There's the old one. It actually looks pretty good from this angle. So I'm gonna peel this out. If I can do this one-handed. Here, watch this. You can even do it one-handed. Lift up. There it goes. Peel it out. Wow, here it is. This one is not bad at all. Look at that. You can look through and see if there's anything caught in it. This is where the air is sucked in from outside right before it gets into this tube, which gets fed into your engine. So this is not bad at all. All right, new one, super bright. This one is just slightly dingy. I don't know, it does not need replaced. It's not that bad. It's just not worth replacing at this time. So you can just simply, the part number for a Sequoia, let's look at it. Again, I got this two ways. You can get it on Amazon. There is a Toyota store. Here is the part number right here. This is Toyota Sequoia. It is 17801 0S010. It's genuine part Toyota. Careful on Amazon though. Make sure it's the Toyota store, because sometimes there are rip-off imitation parts and you do not want them. You can also go online and look for Toyota dealerships. All Toyota dealerships have the manufacturer-backed parts department on their site. The websites are the same, but it ties into their specific parts department, and you can shop on there for this part number as well. You can put in your VIN of your vehicle. Again, this is for every vehicle, not just Toyota Sequoia. I like Toyotas, so I typically go to the Toyota sites. So you put in your VIN, and you can search for air filter. You can search for this part number right here, and it'll actually confirm the fitment on your VIN, your year and model, make, and all that stuff. And most sites, most of these dealerships do offer discounts. If you keep an eye on them, sometimes 25% off, free shipping, almost comparable to any auto store where you buy aftermarket filters, frame, and all that stuff. I like OEM stuff. They design them for a reason. The cars are made by engineers with the parts in mind. Stick with OEM as best as you can. Actually, first, see the dirt in there? I'm gonna go get my shop vac. All right, all vacuumed out. Open your lid, put your filter back in, your new one or the old one. If it doesn't need replacing, make sure it's seated. gently close the lid down, you'll feel it seat right into the grooves, and then reverse as you did. Pull the clips up, push down, pull the clip up. Take your time, there's no hurry on any of this stuff. 4 clips typically on a Sequoia. Most other cars, I don't know. And that is it. That's all there is to it. Simple. Always go with the OEM parts. All right, I hope this video helps. Again, if you know this stuff, you know it. It's basic maintenance, but check it every time you do the oil, have the oil change. You can do it yourself. All right, thanks for watching.